Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to animate multiple characters talking in one scene, just like this.
I love you.
We are on a break.
I'll break it down into two simple methods. I won't waste your time, so let's dive in. First, open HitPaw Edimakor. If you haven't downloaded it yet, I've left the download link in the description below. Method 1, AI Avatar, Talking Dialogue. For the first method, let's use the AI Avatar feature in Edimakor. Go to AI Avatar, then select Talking Photo, and choose Dialogue. Here, you can upload a picture with up to 10 people, and Edimakor will automatically lip sync them all. Just make sure the faces are clear and not obscured. After uploading the picture, it will automatically detect the faces, and you can assign dialogue to each one. Click the face icon to change the speaker. To add more dialogue, just click Add Dialogue. You can upload or record your voice or use the built-in AI voices. There are over 1,000 AI voices in 80+ languages for you to choose from. Once you've set everything up, just click Generate, and there you have it. Your video with multiple characters talking in one scene. Method 2, Image to Video, more advanced. You may have noticed that the previous result looks a little bit off. Don't worry, there's a better way to do it. Just go to Media, then AI Video, and choose Image to Video. Upload your image and type in the prompt. If you're not sure about the prompting, don't worry. It's easier than you think. Just open ChatGPT, upload the image you want to make talk, and type something like, "Help me write an image to video prompt." The girl says, "I love you," and the man says, "We are on a break." Copy the prompt ChatGPT gives you, paste it into Edimakor, set the duration and aspect ratio, then enable Generate Audio and click Generate.
I love you.
We are on a break.
I've tested all the models, and here's the result.
I love you.
We are on a break. I think Vidu Q3 Pro is the best, but you can always test it yourself. And that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I'll see you in the next video.